One of the most common questions we get asked all the time is, how much does a foundation repair cost? In fact, it's one of the most commonly searched terms on the internet for our industry. And it's a great question to ask, but not an easy one to answer. There are many variables that play into defining the final price, like the amount of walls that are experiencing failure, the areas on which the floor is sloping, and even how far apart the cracks are from each other. You see, until a true professional comes out and assesses the situation, an accurate cost is not going to be known. But the cost of not doing anything will definitely be a lot more. The reality is that these problems never get better by themselves, and they typically can get worse over time. That is why we give a completely free, honest evaluation of your foundation, so you can know exactly what needs to be addressed and what doesn't. So call us, and let us give you back your peace of mind.